In this episode, we're going to learn about one of the 5 regions of Virginia, the Appalachian Plateau. In our last episode, we talked about the Valley and Ridge region, which has farms, cows, and chickens. There are 5 regions in Virginia that have their own fun features. And in this 5-part series, we're going to learn about each one. In this episode, we are going to learn about the next region called the Appalachian Plateau. The Appalachian Plateau is to the west of the Valley and Ridge region. The Appalachian Plateaus have high flatlands called plateaus. Coal is also mined here, which we use for electricity. So now that we know a little bit more about the Appalachian Plateau, let's see if you can tell what belongs in this region. I wonder if we would find coal in the Appalachian Plateau. What do you think? You're right. There is coal in the Appalachian Plateau. I wonder if we would find apple farms in the Appalachian Plateau. What do you think? No, we wouldn't find apple farms in the Appalachian Plateau. I wonder if we would find the capital in the Appalachian Plateau. What do you think? No, we wouldn't find the capital in the Appalachian Plateau. I wonder if there are high flatlands in the Appalachian Plateau. What do you think? You're right, there are high flatlands in the Appalachian Plateau. I hope that you liked this episode on the Appalachian Plateau. Check out my other videos on the 5 regions of Virginia. And don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.